I was not the valedictorian. Hindi rin ako yung salutatorian. In fact, wala akong honor nung graduate ako nung elementary. I am Christine Abigail Panoy Orsino, and it's nice to be back in my alma mater, San Agustin Elementary School. This is my best comeback. Nung naimbitahan ako maging guest speaker, I asked myself, bakit ako? Isa ako sa mga batang lowest sa exam. Sometimes, I got 0 on quizzes. I was not the valedictorian. Hindi rin ako yung salutatorian. In fact, wala akong honor nung graduate ako nung elementary. I was just a normal student here. Tuwing parents meeting at kumanan ng card, palagi akong takot. Kasi alam ko na mababa ang grades ko. At pag uwi ng bahay, may palo ako. I hate math, I hate English, I hate science, but I love in sense. Ayaw po sa mga subject na yun kasi alam ko wala na masyadong naniwala sa akin mo. Meron din akong palakol sa card. Alam niyo yung palakol? I was also being compared to others and I never understood why. Nakarinig din ako ng mga hindi magagandang salita. Yung si Christine, walang tutulanan niya. Walang alam yun. Naranasan kong makahiya sa buong section because they know me as someone who don't know anything. Pero kung may isang bagay ako minahal noon, yun ay yung naging leader ako ng Angels sa Drum and Lyre. That was the extracurricular that I loved so much. Really love. Kasi sa paghawak ko ng baton, doon ko lang nakita yung sarili ko na magaling ako. Mababaw man sa iba, pero sa akin, tumatak iyon ng sobra. Akala ng iba na ang pagiging matalino ay nababa sila sa grades. If you graduated with honors, they will see your future as successful. Pero kung hindi ka graduate ng may honors, they will easily judge your future as nothing. When I entered in high school, first time in my life nagbasa ako ng libro. I became the best in math and top 1 in our class until I became the student who got the highest score in exams. I started to fall in love in speaking. Nagsimula ang pangarap ko na maging TV broadcaster. There are still times that I got rejected. 6 years ako nasa high school. 6 years din ako hindi natanggap sa journalism. I never gave up. I graduated from high school with honors in academic excellence. This is the first time na ikukwento ko ito sa lahat. Hindi ako nakapasa sa dream school ko. Bumagsak ako sa Polytechnic University of the Philippines entrance exam. That school was one of the top universities here in the Philippines. Broadcasting sana ang course ko, pero hindi ako pinalay. Natanggap naman ako sa TRIMSU o kilala bilang President Ramon Magsaysay State University. I became the TV broadcaster in our university. Kinaya ko kahit mahirap, kinaya ko kahit nakakatakot. Nilagan ako sa Tarlac State University, Columban College, and Nueva Ecija for journalism, and University of the Philippines Diliman for national competition. I graduated as magna cum laude. Hindi ko rin inakala na magiging radio DJ ako ng radyo natin FM Ibas Navales. Your intelligence is useless if you don't know the meaning of kindness. I am working as a content creator, writer, and social media strategist. Nakita ko na rin si Coco Martin at nakagtrabaho ko na rin ang ibang mga artista sa Pilipinas. Mahirap magtagumpay, pero mas mahirap kung hindi ka makakaranas ng rejection sa buhay. Hindi ka lang dapat magaling sa school. Dapat magaling ka rin sa tao. Hindi hahanapin yung 90, 95, 97 na grades mo sa card. If you know how to communicate, kung confident ka, and if you are humble, you will win in life. Gaano naman kataas ang maabot mo sa buhay sasabihin mo, it will leave an inspiration. Pero kung masakit ang sasabihin mo, it will leave a scar. Thank you so much, San Agustin Elementary School, for this opportunity. It will always be an honor to be your guest speaker. I will never forget this. Thank you for choosing me. Out of all students who graduated here, naiiyak ako. Thank you, Lord. Thank you to my family, especially my mom, na lagi akong pinapala, no? Thank you to my former teachers who made me strong. At kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, wala siguro ako sa entablado ngayon. Kayo ang naging motivation ko para ipaalala sa aking sarili na kaya ko. And most of all, thank you sa aking sarili for making this dream happen. Maraming salamat and congratulations, elementary graduates of Batch 2026.